Okay, so the garbage compactor is located underneath the desk. It has to be unlocked from the inside of the cavity to the right, at the very rightmost part of the desk. A long shaft pulled out from a lock that holds it in during driving conditions so it doesn't fly out and damage something. Pull it out all the way. Open the top. Put the garbage in. The bags are at the back. Take one bag, actually two, put one in the bottom and the other one and start putting garbage in it. Do not put glass or food in there. This is what it looks like when it's completely empty, but never put anything in there without a bag. Then, after the bag is full, put it in the car or in the back of the motorhome so it can be dumped at a gas station. Sometimes there's room at the top of the bag and you can put other garbage in there. Then you close the lid. Once it's closed, you close the application so it stays without power in the closed position for a few days, and then everything will be compressed quite significantly.